Equal access to justice is the foundation upon which liberty is built.
Today, however, low-income Americans cannot afford help for over 90% of their civil legal needs.
Last year, 70% of low-income families had at least one civil legal problem to deal with.
This is the justice gap. There are 3 organizations in Idaho working hard day in and day out to close this gap.
Idaho Legal Aid Services, which has offices across Idaho.
Disability Rights Idaho, the state's federally designated protection and advocacy system.
The Idaho Volunteer Lawyers Program of the Idaho Law Foundation.
Idaho Legal Aid Services provides free civil legal services to Idahoans who are not able to afford an attorney. They represent Idahoans with legal issues including protection for domestic violence survivors, divorce and custody issues, combating housing challenges, and elder law matters.
Disability Rights Idaho's mission is to educate, advocate, investigate, and litigate to protect and advance the rights of Idahoans with disabilities. Disability Rights Idaho provides these services free of charge.
The Idaho Volunteer Lawyers Program provides a safety net to at-risk and low-income Idahoans who are facing a civil legal issue. To do so, IVLP matches attorneys who are willing to donate their time and expertise with Idahoans who cannot afford legal representation.
Each of these programs costs money. These programs have limited resources, and each program cannot close the justice gap alone. We need your help.
Access to Justice Idaho is the program for Idaho lawyers to help these organizations fight the fight to close the justice gap. And these organizations are not state funded.
Hundreds of Idaho lawyers, from senior counsel to those just sworn in to join the bar, as well as justices and judges, financially support Access to Idaho each year.
We hope every attorney in Idaho will join us. Please be part of the solution and donate an amount equal to just 1 hour of your professional time, whether that be your billable hourly rate or your hourly earnings.
Access to Justice Idaho and the programs it supports helps Idaho courts work more effectively, it helps protect liberty, and it helps judges and lawyers throughout the state to abide by and fulfill the oath that we all took when we first joined the Idaho State Bar. Would you please join us in this endeavor? Help support Access to Justice Idaho.
Join us.